A very warm good morning to all of you. This is Rajesh, and today I am going to teach you the last reading video of Understanding Media in Civic Chapter 6. Dear student, you already know that in my previous video about the mass media and technology, mass media and money, and mass media and democracy. So, in topic mass media and democracy, we already know it. Are we able to understand that media play a very important role in a democratic country? Why? Because citizens of that country know anything, I mean, what happened around their country or around the world, or try to understand what the government do for them, the work of government or any agency is in favor of people or against in people. So in this video we read about setting agenda. कि सबसे पहले मीडिया, ऐसा नहीं है कि सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मीडिया हमें दिखाई देती है. नो, दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. व्हाट हैपन इन होल डे, दैट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू उन सभी चीज़ों को एक साथ मीडिया हमें दिखा पाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू ट्राई टू come in your house and go to school or went to school, in the way you see a lot of things, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हो, but can you remember all these things? No, definitely not. Those things which are important, those events which are important, for example, on the way, if you saw an accident, you must be memorize it. Remaining all the things are forgotten. क्योंकि हमारी जो मेमोरी है उसकी कैपेसिटी भी निश्चित है. वो फिल्टर करके उन्हीं चीज़ों को मेमोराइज करती है जो हमें इम्पोर्टेंट होता है या हमारा जिस पे अटेंशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. सिमिलर मीडिया भी उन्हीं चीज़ों को अपने एजेंडे में शामिल करती है जो हमारी लाइफ के लिए या जो उनको इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स लगते हैं. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट. द मीडिया आल्सो प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन डिसाइडिंग व्हाट स्टोरी टू फोकस ऑन, एज आई टोल्ड यू लेट, एंड देयरफॉर डिसाइड ऑन व्हाट इज न्यूज़ वर्थी. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि बहुत सारी घटनाएं होती हैं लेकिन आप उन घटनाओं पे ध्यान नहीं देते हो, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी घटनाएं होती है जो आपको मेमोराइज हो जाती है. सिमिलर बहुत सारे स्टोरीज कवर करती है मीडिया, बट सारी स्टोरी कवर नहीं कर सकती, इम्पॉसिबल. वो उन्हीं चीज़ों को अपने एजेंडे में इंक्लूड करती है जो न्यूज़ वर्थी होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, एक एग्ज़ाम्पल देख लेते हैं. द एनुअल फंक्शन एट योर स्कूल इज़ अनलाइकली to be make the news, but if a famous actor is invited as the chief guest, then the media might be interested in covering it by focusing on a particular issue. By focusing on a particular issue, the media influences our thought, feelings and action and bring those issues to our attention. Due to the significant influence it play in our life and in shaping our thought, it is commonly said that media set the agenda. मीडिया जो है एजेंडा को सेट करती है. इस एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है कि आपके यहाँ एनुअल फंक्शन हो रहा है, तो आप ये ना सोचें कि मीडिया इसमें इंटरेस्टेड है कि आपके एनुअल फंक्शन को वो कवर करने वाली है. बट थिंक या इमेजिन इफ अ फेमस क्रिकेटर or actor or any celebrity come to your school, then you saw that media interested to covering it because the person is important. Many of us try to look and watch and say what the celebrity say or look. सो मीडिया हमारे लिए एजेंडा को सेट करती है कि विच स्टोरी शुड बी फोकस्ड एंड विच स्टोरी शुड बी नॉट फोकस. अब ये डेमोक्रेसी में इसका एक निगेटिव पॉइंट भी आएगा कि मीडिया हमारे कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट एजेंडा होते हैं, स्टोरीज होते हैं जो पीपल्स के लिए बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, बट मीडिया इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होती है ड्यू टू द रिलेशन ऑफ मीडिया एंड मनी. Very recently, the media drew our attention to alarming level of pesticide in cola drinks. They published report that indicated that high level of pesticide and thus made us aware of the need to regular monitor this cola according to the international quality and safety standard. This despite the government resistance by boldly declaring that colas were unsafe. In covering this story, the media positively help us focus on an issue that affect our lives and one that we might not even have been aware of it not been for media reporting. In our country, every year, thousands of people suffer and die because they do not get safe drinking water. However, we seldom find the media discussing this issue. A well-known Indian journalist wrote of how the Fashion Week, in which clothes designers show their new creation to rich people, form in the front page headlines to all the newspaper. While several slums were being demolished in Mumbai, they were shame week and this was not even noticed. There are several instances when the media failed to focus on issues that are significant in our lives. For example, drinking water is a major Drinking water is a major problem in the country. Every year, thousands of people suffer and die because they do not get safe drinking water. However, we seldom find the media discussing this issue. A well-known Indian journalist wrote how the Fashion Week, in which clothes designers show their new creation to rich people, form the front page headlines and all the newspaper, while several slums were being demolished in Mumbai the very same week and this was not noticed. As citizen of democracy, the media has a very important role to play in our lives because it is through the media that we hear about issue related to the working of the government. The media decides what to focus on and how this way it set the agenda. The government can at times prevent the media from publishing a story and this is called censorship. जो मैंने आपको बताया था कि सेंसरशिप एक ऐसा राइट है गवर्नमेंट का जो डिसाइड करती है मीडिया पे कि क्या चीज़ें वो पब्लिश कर सकती है, क्या चीज़ें वे दिखा सकती है. फॉर कोई मूवी सीन हो गया, कोई न्यूज़ हो गया, कोई इमेज हो गया, सो इट्स सेंसरशिप. अब इसके आड़ में गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारा जो है मीडिया से सेंसरशिप लगा ही देती है. हमने अपनी कंट्री में बताया था कि 75 to 77 सेंसरशिप जो है पोस्ट कंडीशन था ड्यूरिंग इमरजेंसी. नाउडेज मीडिया's close relationship between business often means that a balanced report is difficult to come by. Given this, it is important for us to be aware that the factual information that is a news report provide is often not complete and can be one-sided. We therefore need to analyze the news by asking the following question: what is the information I am learning from this report? What information is not being reported? From whose point of view is the article being written? Whose point of view is being left, and why? That is the work of us. इसके साथ ही मीडिया बहुत सारे जो है कैंपेन चलाती है, जैसे आपका सोशल एडवर्टाइजिंग हो गया, सामाजिक जो देती है. फॉर एग्जांपल है कि सोशल एडवर्टाइजमेंट रेफर टू एडवर्टाइजमेंट मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट एजेंसीज दैट have a large message for society. The following is a social advertisement regarding crossing the unmanaged level crossing. ये वर्क हैं मीडिया के. So in this chapter question answer we must discuss tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day.